Hey, what's up, guys? We're back in Tinkercad. Woohoo! It's been a couple days. I've been busy. I've been preparing for my upcoming Florida vacation. So, as you saw, let's see, maybe a week or two ago, we made that cool shell scoop for seashell hunting and shark tooth hunting on the beach. So that was really cool. But now I need something a little more simple and practical. As you saw in the thumbnail, I need some beefier handles to put on 5-gallon buckets because I'm going to be carrying some fossil-bearing gravel out of the Peace River area, and I have to carry it a ways through the woods or back to the car in 2 5-gallon buckets. So it could be like 100 pounds of gravel. So, or more, I guess. So I want to make some beefier grips for the buckets and see if it works. Because I think I've seen them before, like printable ones, but I didn't really look at how they worked or anything, of course, because I never do. I probably should. But let's just make our own. So I measured the handle that's normally on a 5-gallon bucket. Whoa, not like that. And I made it a little bigger. I added like 2 or 3 millimeters, probably like 3 millimeters on every side. Like the length and the, height and stuff. Let's see, we gotta smooth this baby down. Oops, come on now. Okay, so basically this is like the 5-gallon bucket handle, where the metal wire goes through. So, and we made this bigger, so that'll be fine. So we can use this as a cutout. So just like that. So let's, wow, we could really make this simple. Well, I don't know. We might have to make a couple of them. We got to see what would be a good grip, What if we, whoopsies. Well, I didn't pre-think of any ideas. I just jumped on here. Now, I don't think we want it too huge or your hand would, like, I don't think it would be very easy to grip if it was. I think it just needs to be like a bit bigger than a normal one. Because I don't know, if it seems like if it's too big, it might not be good. So let's try this quick. Let's align this. Boop and boop. Okay, so that's lined up. Is this sticking out yet? Well, there it is. Okay. Well, honestly, I'm trying to think. Oh yeah, it wouldn't matter. Sorry, I'm just trying to think. Does it matter if we have it come over? We're definitely going to have to split this thing into 2 and then have it snap together. Because otherwise we wouldn't be able to get it on. Okay, let's just, we'll just do it like this. Okay, let's just try this. We can make like a little textured one here. So like your fingers have a spots to sink into. Let's try this. It looks like a weird caterpillar. I kind of like that, actually. I feel like that would be pretty good for your fingers to grip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe it'd be better to only have 4 of these, but a little farther apart. Let's do this. Duplicate, and let's put it a little farther apart. And then maybe we'll only have 4 creases. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, because you'd have your 4 fingers. That might be good, actually. So what I'm actually going to do then, I'm going to make this longer, and because it won't matter if there's a hole in the side. See? Okay, that should be fine. Okay. let's just go for it. So we're going to have to split this thing in two and then figure out how we're going to have it snap together. So let's group it. Now it has a hole in it. Okay. And now let's... now we got to split this thing in half. So here, just so we don't completely mess it up, we'll make a copy there. Okay, let's see if I struggle with this like I have before. Because see, if you hit a line, you should be able to hit... Okay, that aligns it that way. You know what I'm saying? What am I doing wrong here, guys? How come I can't just align it right to the center of... I'm trying to think. See, that's not the halfway point. How do... You guys have to teach me here. How do you align it right to the center point of an object? You think I would know that? There, I mean, I feel like I did it, but not very well. Not very well. Somebody tell me what I'm doing wrong. Okay, there we go. So actually, let's duplicate this whole thing. There we go. And now let's group this one, because we're going to cut the top off of this one. And we can just pull this down and cut the bottom off of this one. There. Okay, so we have the two pieces that will fit together around the handle. And I know they're going to fit because I made this hole bigger. Okay, so now we got to figure out how we want them to snap together. I feel like we should just have little pegs that stick out. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's have little pegs. I don't think we'd have to have pegs. You know what? I think just like 4 pegs, maybe? Let's see. Okay, that's a 4mm peg, so that's plenty beefy. Okay, should we go a little smaller movements? Okay. Okay, what do you think? So what we need to do is stare at it like a weirdo. Okay, so this is sitting right on the surface. So actually, let's go like this. We want a really tight fit on these so we don't have to glue them. So we'll pretty much make them the exact size. Okay, so now we have... So that's 3mm in. Okay, hold on one second. Oh, how do I pause this now? Oh, yeah. Okay. Do you think I should make it a tiniest bit bigger? I don't want to like super struggle to force it together, you know? So should we make the cutout like, oof, like 4.1 by 4.1? Uh-oh, I hope that's 1/10 of a millimeter. That's tiny. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, let's align these two. Whoa, this is weird looking. There we go. Okay, and this will be the peg that... Probably make it shorter. Oops. And this peg needs to... I'm just trying to do this part all at once. So let's go in here and look at it. Oh, okay. So you can go in and look at it. I feel like we don't need this so deep. There, that's fine. Okay, finally. Sorry about that. So it's going to cut a hole, but also leave a peg. So what we'll do is we're going to just duplicate these and do it like this. Did we rock that one perfect? It doesn't even matter if they're... Well, that's not right. Darn it. I wish... Do I need smaller movements? I'm just kind of eyeballing it, to be honest. Beautiful. Okay, now we can go like this and duplicate. Hey, don't do that. I thought I selected everything. Okay, duplicate. Oops, I thought I was holding shift. Okay, let's slide these over to here. There, 4 pegs should be good to hold it together. Let's just eyeball it there. Okay, so what we're going to do then is we're going to select this bottom one and the cutouts, but not the pegs. See? And now we'll group. Okay, so we cut holes. Let's make sure we're okay. So, like these are down in there. Yeah. Okay. So we got our holes in the bottom one, and look, we're just going to... Let's just slap this puppy back on there. There. There it is. And what we'll do is we're going to attach the pegs to this top. So let's select everything and then deselect this bottom. There we go. So now we have the peg selected and the top. Group. Okay, so watch this. Hey, where'd my pegs go? Oh, they're there. I thought I was going to be made a liar. So look, we have pegs that we know are going to fit because we just, that's the way we just did it. So what we'll do is, pretty cool, huh? Maybe, maybe not. Okay, so let's drop this down a little bit. I don't care if there's some flat spots, you know. I want it to be attached to the printer a little bit. I mean, I could use a brim. Oh yeah, that's some weird angles. I don't want to use supports, so I don't mind having a big old flat spots on them. I just want it to print nice, you know. Yeah. I think that'd be kind of cool. Okay, let's snip the bottom off, and this one's done, guys. So besides me struggling with the little pegs, this is a quick build. And if it's lame, I'll just make another one. We'll make something else. Did I screw that up now? Yes. Oh dear, come on. There we go. Okay, select everything. I'm just snipping off the bottoms. Yeah, that'll be fine. That might be good even. Like, it might be good to have a flatter spot. Who knows? So we got to see how it feels in the hand. And see how this fits together. So let me just, how long's it been? Oh yeah, 15 minutes. Wow. Okay, let me quick print one of these out, and we might try a different design too, but let me print one of these out and see if it works. Might be as easy as that. Alrighty, there we go. Looky, done already. Let's check them out. I decided to put a brim on them just because I didn't feel like having them pop off for some dumb reason. Wow. I guess they didn't. I don't think they would have popped off. My goodness. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's take the old brims off here. This looks funny. Okay, I guess the main thing is if it's actually going to snap together, and then if it feels good in your hand, you know? I can clean that up if... Okay, let's just see, think if it's gonna... Whoa! This is pretty cool. Okay, let me aim you guys down, because look what we got. Oh gosh, here we go. Ready? Okay, let's see. Oh, it's almost... Hey, why did one go in? There! It's going! Almost. Wow, did you hear that? That was loud. Whoa. I wonder if that's too big. Look at this. Did you hear how loud that was when it snapped together? Look at. Yeah, my fingers actually do fit right in them things that we made. What do you think, guys? Wow, it's pretty cool. Look at join. Should we take it outside and put some, fill the bucket up with water or something? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, we gotta make that heavy. Here, look, I got this huge heavy rock. Otherwise, the water's not very heavy, so that big rock will help. That was like a 30-pound rock. Okay, I don't feel like spilling cold water on myself. It's like 30 degrees out. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Wow, that's heavy. Well, I kind of like it. You know what, though? Okay, let me do it one more time. Okay, yeah, I think I like it. But you know what? We're not going to be able to tell unless we try it with a normal one. So I'm going to put the rock and water in a normal bucket without the handle. Okay, I got the same exact bucket, but I have two of these buckets I'm bringing. So I might have to print another one, unless I don't like it as much. Okay, here we go. Wow, this is heavy. Okay, let me... Oh, wow. Oh, that's way more painful. Oh, yeah, that's way worse. Okay, it's settled. Yep. I almost get a better grip on the little handle, but it's like painful and awful. And that was the whole point, is to make it comfortable. But honestly, I would probably, this is good enough for me, but I'd probably make it a little bit smaller. But it's very cool concept. And I think it's good enough for me. I'm just going to print another one just like that, and I'm definitely going to go that route compared to using the normal bucket handle the way they come. So, hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe to help this channel grow, and it'll be awesome. All right, see you guys in the next one. Bye.